Finding yourself bored and numb? Well, no worries, cause now you can get the all-new Ink Pods!
Hey guys, this is Mr. Mathing going over quiz number 3, September 5th, 2025. This is version A. Match the following by putting one letter in the blank. This is a blank. And we want standard form. So we wrote in our notes that standard form is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Remember, another big idea is that y is also the same thing as f of x. You'll notice that there should be no parentheses. No parentheses. Okay, so none of these. Well, this one has a parentheses, and this one has two sets of parentheses, which we'll learn later. So our answer is H. H is the correct answer. Number 2, fill in the blanks, squares, so that each row, so rows go this way, and columns go that way, contain all the digits 1 to 3. So it's only a positive 2, positive 1, positive 3. Okay, the numbers in a cage. So let's talk about a cage. So this would be a cage right there. Those numbers can repeat as long as they're not in the same row or column. So just can't have repeating numbers. So the best one is to go with one that does not have an operation. So I'm going to go ahead and write a 2 in there. Okay, going down now, I think I have to have, I'm missing 2 numbers in there. That would be 3 and 1. So sometimes you just have to guess and you can always erase. Now, if I go down here, I notice I need 2 numbers to add up to 5. So I can do something like 2 and 3. And these are all addition. I try to pick super easy ones. And then I need 2 numbers that add up to 4. Okay, so I can't do 2 and 2. This would be bad because it's repeating. So I need like a 3 and a 1. Okay, so this is bad news because I have repeating numbers there. So I'm going to have to go way back and probably switch these 2 numbers there. So let's try 3 and 1, 3 and 2. And then this one we will do, I'm going to choose to put 3 and 1. Because if I put the 3 here, they would be repeating and that would be bad. And then the last one, I'm missing the numbers 1 and 2, and 1 plus 2 in orange there equals 3. So that works out. Okay, so you'll notice that I have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then also going this direction, numbers 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And they also add up to whatever's in the top left. Okay, we talked about, and this would be done at the end. I'm going to give you 1 point just for filling this out. You know, challenging, most difficult part, the easiest one. How much time did you spend? Studying math is just maybe doing extra worksheets. You can probably just circle or underline the things that you did. And these were just kind of optional, so you might want to underline some more, circle more. Mr. Ivan and I are free every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, before school, not on Thursdays, lunchtime, just on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and then after school every day till 3:45. You need help. Okay, let's go to the back side. And I'm just going to repeat that one. X squared minus 4x minus 5. And what we did right in the beginning, I'm going to write standard form. And then from here, I can just get the numbers in front. So there's a 1, A is 1, B is negative 4, and then C is negative 5. Okay, the axis of symmetry, write down the formula, AOS, x equals negative b over 2a. So the b value is -4. And then my a value is going to be 1. 2 times 1. Okay, so x equals -4 over 2. Then this is going to become -2. And then I like to do the negative at the end. So the opposite of -2 or -1 times -2 would be +2 is our answer. So that 2 is going to go here in the middle. And to help you pick numbers for the table of values, so let's go to x equals 2. It's hard to do a straight edge on this. Okay, then the numbers I would want are just 2 numbers to the right and 2 numbers to the left. So that would be 3 and 4. And 1 and 0. I'll work these all out, but I've only asked you to show your work for just one problem. And then we can use the calculator, whatever I have on this. So our x squared minus 4x minus 5. So I'm just going to put in parentheses there, right? Because that's essentially what we have there. Let me copy and paste that. So we can just drag that over. Okay, so let's put in our numbers here. X is 4. So every x value I'm putting in 4. I'm going to use PEMDAS, so that would be 4 squared, which is 16. This one's going to be minus 16 minus 5. That equals 0, so you're left with -5. So 4, -5. Let's try 3 now. 3 squared. Be 9, -4 times 3 is -12, so I have -3 minus 8 minus 5, which would give us -8. So 3, -8. Let's pick a different color here. Got purple. I got 2. So 2 squared is 4. -4 times 2 is -8 minus 5. So -4 minus 5 is -9. 2, -9. Let's pick another color here. I got 1, so I put a 1 in here. 1 squared is 1. -4 times 1 is -4. So -4 minus 1 minus 4 is -3. -3 minus 5 is -8. So 1 comma -8. And I know that's good because it kind of reflects over that, right? And then 0. 0 squared is 0. -4 times 0 is 0. And then you get -5. So 0, -5, and that matches here. Let's go ahead and graph those. It's counting by 2's there, so that's like a 1, -1. So 0, -5 would be down here. Just try to use the same colors. I got that blue at 1, -8. 1, -8. Okay, purple at 2, -9. So write 2 down, -9. And I have the green at 3, -8. And orange at 4, -5. Okay, so let's go ahead and sketch this one. And this is our graph. Okay? Okay, now find the range. So The range just refers to the y-axis. So I have negative numbers, I have positive numbers. The graph doesn't start. We go from bottom to top. And so we're going to start here. And that would be -9. And then we keep going. And the last thing I touch is these arrows, which tells you it goes to positive infinity. So the range would be -9 to positive infinity. Always with infinity, you have a parentheses, and numbers we are currently using brackets. And I'll just box that as my answer for the range. Okay, hopefully that was helpful. See you guys later. Bye.
Math is the best. Math is life. Mr. Ang, the best teacher in the West. We're so blessed to have Mr. Ang. Praise Jesus.